Hi everyone, this is me, that travel girl, and today again I'm here with another haul video. And trust me, the last time when I made this Sarojini haul video, and I got a really love response from you all, and I think there was a moral support for me to make another haul video, and there was so many requests from you all there to make a Shein video. Yes, so this video is all about Shein haul video and Lulu and Sky video. So I don't know how to call it. I think people call it Shein or something else, but I have no idea how to call it, so I'm calling it Shein. But if you know how to pronounce it, please let me know everything in comment section so that I will know what to call it for the next time. Yes, so I don't want to talk a lot. Let's just start with the straight for the video. Yes, the first product I got it from Shein. There's so many products which I got it from Shein. I'm going to give you an honest review so that next time when you're buying it, you know if you like the material, if you like the price for that. So it all depends on you if you're liking it. So yes, today which I decided, since it's a winter, so I decided why not to go for some winter shopping and Shein. So I decided to buy this. This is a cute pink cropped sweatshirt. But the best part for Shein is you are going to get everything in this Ziploc bag, and this is my honest love for Shein, is that I love Ziploc bag more than any product. I don't know why, because the best part is you can keep any product inside it and keep it safe, keep it in your closet. It looks really nice. Just because I think, let me start saying that the Ziploc bag is really nice, in a very good material, good condition also. So yes, this is a pink crop top with the cost and the price, everything I'm going to show you here. If you can see the prices also, it's mentioned here. I got it in a sale. There was a sale going on, a winter sale. So yes, this material looks like this, and it's a little thick. Trust me, it's thick if you want to wear it, but I think you need to wear it a little bit inside. But it's not that thick that you will wear it into a very cold area. But yes, I think you can wear it in Delhi. So yeah, but it's a crop top size. It's not that big, so you can see it's a baby color pink, baby pink color, and I think I love all pinks and all the colors. So yeah, if you can see this, I have teamed up with this with a black jeans, which is high-waisted jeans, and it will give you that really nice look when you're trying any crop top with a high waist. It gives you a nice length to your body. So yes, this is a very cute product, and it's warm. It's really warm. It will give you that warm look, and if you want to wear it home also, you can wear it. I think I really love this product. So yes, big thumbs up for this product. Yay! And the next product is again something flowy. Sometimes what happens is I buy and I forget things sometimes. So yes, this is another this is a long jacket which I bought it in a mustard color. This color, if you can see, I'm in the video also, I'm going to show you that how to wear this and how to dress this up. You can wear a dress inside, but let me say this material is not thick. So if you're thinking this material is thick and if you can wear it in winters, no, this is not thick at all. This is very summery, or maybe a very spring time, you know, when there's a sun outside and you really don't need to wear a lot of thick products, because this is not thick at all. This is very thin material, see, but it gives you a very nice and flowy look to it. And I think mustard colors or any bold colors or any one color looks really nice. So don't experiment too much with this. Don't go with all the colors wearing inside this. This is one bold color, so stick with a black or a gray. It will give you a very nice look. So I'm wearing a floral dress inside, so that in this floral top also dress, you can see of this mustard flowers are there, and it will look really nice with this. Yeah, I'm wearing this mustard floral inside, and it will look really nice in it. But the material is not thick. Once again, I need to tell you all that material is not thick, so do not go blindly buy it. If you really like it, then go for it, because I liked it a little, but the material is not thick. So yeah, not for the winters, but yes, for the spring or for just easy breezy look, if you want to have it, you can go for it. And next product which I got in a bulk, so this came in this packet like this. It comes like this. I already tore it and I already saw it what's inside. So yes, there's no surprise for me, but there's a surprise for you all. Okay, this is again this Ziploc bag. I think I need to say once again that I love this. Every product comes in a Ziploc bag, and that's the best part about it. And yes, this is a nice material. It looks very metallic. It's a skirt. It's a see, oh my god, see, you can see the flowy and everything is so nice. I think I really love everything about it. In winters I really like to dress up more like skirts and wearing a dress. It gives you a very nice look. So today, yes, it's a Christmas Eve, so I decided to wear this and with the boots and a nice leather jacket, so you can dress this up with anything. I think this material is really nice. It's very flowy and the color is also very nice. It gives you a very rockstar or material look. Not material, I'm saying this very give you a very metallic look. Yes, so metallic look is the word for this. And see, you can see it's not that it's heavy from bottom. The material is little heavy, but then it's really nice. I think this is something which I really love. This is something which I am going to wear in summers also. So this is a nice, very soft material. If you can come and see and touch it, it's very soft. So the price and everything I am going to show you in detail, so you can see from on the right side on your right side to the screen, you can see the price and everything is mentioned here. And the next item is again a white halter top which looks like this, and this is something, you know, it can give you a, I think with this I can imagine lot of styles how to wear it, and I think it's going to give you a very cute look because it's a high neck, and but the material is again not thick, so this is a little see-through. See, the material is not thick, so you can you have to make sure that you're wearing something warm outside, because this is not thick at all. But for styling it is amazing because white is my favorite color. I think all colors are my favorite, but white looks really nice. It gives you a very chic look. Yeah, that is the word for white. But this material is not thick, so this material is very see-through and this is very thin, so you have to make sure, again, once I'm saying, you have to make sure if in winters you're wearing this, you have to be very warm, so wear something really nice thick jacket outside. But yes, for styling tips, I think I love this material. See, if you can see this, I'm going to show you how to style this up also. On your right side, if you can see the video, you can see how I have styled this up, but it looks really nice. I think all over my screen I'm making this showing so that you can see all white thing, but yeah, this is really light. I like it, but the material is not thick once again. Oh, so yes, the next product which I got it is a bag. Yes, you can see this is a bag, side bags. You can use it, you wear it on your waist, or you can just wear like this. And I think I really love this bag. This looks, first of all, it looks cute AF. This is so cute, and this is it comes with this bag. Okay, this is a nice strap. It's there's something written in it. It says MHLY and LHY. I don't know, but yeah, it looks really nice. It gives you very nice look. So I'm going to show you how I've dressed up with this, and I think I need to make a whole one look from the Shein. So yes, this looks really nice. And inside this inside this you will get like this. Inside this you will get storage where you can keep your bags and you can keep your money, your mobile and everything. I think it looks really nice and I love this. I really love this product. It's very thick. It comes with a very nice thick material. So I like all the thick material because, you know, as Indians we know that we want to spend on something which we can use it later also. Yes, so yes, this is nice. I think I'm not running out of all the products. Yes, I think I'll show you all from the Shein. That was all from the Shein today. But yes, another is from Lulu and Sky. This is also some another online thing, and I really like buying products from there. Also, you will get a good quality. I think I'll need to tell you all that I love the product and quality from Lulu and Sky, but it's just that it's like a Zara. If there's a sale, I like to go and buy it. So yes. But sometimes I think this one honest review which I have to tell you all, that this thing which I bought from Lulu and Sky, this is a very thick, super thick. This is for especially for winters. This is like this. This is a dress which I got it from, and it was for 800 something. I think I'm going to mention all the prices also. If you can see on your right side on your screen, the prices also it's mentioned. It's very thick material, but it's very thick, and especially for winters, I think it is very amazing. You can dress it with your boots, and it looks really nice. And I think I love all the pink colors. So this is again a baby pink color, and I think the material is really nice. The best part is I think I really love the buttons over here. So buttons are really very in a good material, in a very good quality. You know, the small little details in a dress. It gives you very nice. I think I really like when there's a very good details in a dress. So yes, there's a this detail. If you can see the buttons here, there's a pocket also here. So you can. It's a dungaree dress, and you know, you can wear it with a nice white color or anything inside this color. It'll look really nice like this. Yes. So I hope you like this dress. And the next product, okay, this is again for winters, which I got from Lulu & Sky. The package comes like this, and I bought a, okay, this is a socks. This is in a shape like this, and I think I love all the mustard and yellow colors, but this is really nice. You can wear it with the canvas shoes, and yeah, it's warm, it's warm. And the next is this again a long, if you're wearing a nice skater skirt and mini skirt, or you know, it will give you a nice look for your legs. You can see in the video I'm wearing this, and give you a very school Japanese girl school dress. But yeah, I like it. If you want to wear it and something you don't want to go for, if you want to wear a nice skirt and you want to wear a boots and you want to wear a nice long socks, then you should go for it. And the next product, which I recently got it, I got it today. This came like this. I just got it today. So yes, I am going to I'm going to tear this in front of you so that you will know what I bought today. Okay. Okay, this is nice. I think. Okay, this was big. Okay, it's very huge, very big. I myself forgot what I bought. How do I open this? Yeah. This is okay. It looks very big, but did I even buy it on my size? Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, I love it. It's very thick. This I got it only for 999. Oh nice. Oh nice. I like it. I like it so much. It's very thick. You can see there's a woolen design inside, and there's a hoodie also with this. There's a black color hoodie like this. Okay, it's heavy. It's really heavy. This is very heavy material. I'm in love with this. I really want to wear this tonight. I'm ditching my skirt today. So yeah. Okay, fine. I will try and show you in my video. You can see I was trying it here only, but I think I really liked it. But the material is really thick. It's made for winters. Completely made for winters. You can wear it. Yeah. But this is very thick and very huge. Yay! And this is also, I got it in sale, so I got it for 999. I got it today, and I just revealed it in front of you all, and I'm really happy. Okay, fine. And this pants which I'm wearing in the video, this is also from Shein, and this is very formal. You know, it gives you very formal look, and it's very flowy and open pants, and it's really nice. And this heels also from Lulu & Sky, and I think really love this mustard heels, and looks really nice with this whole top. And if you like this outfit from top to bottom, let me know everything on comment section. And yes, this heels is from Lulu & Sky, and these pants are from Shein, and the material is very nice. It's very thick. It's in a good condition and very good quality, so I like this material a lot. I hope you like this video, and I hope you are satisfied with my haul video. And if you really want me to make another haul video, please let me know everything comment section. I read and I like to reply to you all, and I hope to get a lot of love in this video also. Yeah, it's a big thumbs up to Shein haul video and Lulu & Sky, and much love to everybody. Godspeed.